Welcome to NVK Projects Work and Training Institution. This video discusses about fabrication of automatic spring rolling machine. The main abstract of the project is in many industries they use very large size of machine to make the spring. In our project we use simple arrangement of spur gear coupled with motor to make the spring with high efficiency and low cost with compact size. The spring wire is locked in the rolling shaft by use of lock through the guide bush. The AC motor turned on rotates the pulley. The pulley is attached with spur gear. It rolls the rolling shaft to make the spring. In our institute, we provide mechanical, automobile, mechatronics, main and mini projects are available here. All over Tamil Nadu, project kit material delivery in 3 days, free online demonstration, online payments available, 100% working delivery. For more details, contact below number. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.